Made it. We are officially in Naples and we are so ready to relax. We had our flight got delayed and then all the planes were backed up, so we were sitting on, you know, just sitting in the plane, not taking off for a while, which is always a good time. But we got here, we got our rental car and grabbed some Panera because we were both starving. And then we also just ran to the fresh market to grab just like some random little groceries. Since we're like in a house, we can throw stuff in the fridge, which is super nice. But yeah, so it's like kind of late in the day. We were supposed to get in like the afternoon, but we got super delayed. So we're thinking we're probably just gonna go to dinner soon, like go into downtown Naples. But yeah, we're not really totally sure yet. All right, so we are about to head out to dinner. We're gonna go somewhere to Naples. I honestly don't remember where we're going, but we're excited for dinner.
Hello, we're going to dinner somewhere in Naples. We're not sure where.
Also, I thought I would share what I'm wearing, but there's no full-length mirrors in this house, so can you hold this? Okay, so this dress, the bump is out. It's from Pink Blush. It's so comfortable. I really like it. And it's just like a basic t-shirt kind of dress. This is also from Pink Blush. And then these shoes are amazing. I've been on the hunt for, yes, thank you for the shoe shot. I've been on the hunt for shoes that, like simple sandals, like cute sandals I can wear with everything that are like actually supportive and comfortable. And these are amazing. They're called Fit Flops. And they were worth every penny. And I feel like I'm gonna be wearing these so much because it's like important to have support, foot support during pregnancy, so your feet don't get bigger, and also they just hurt if you don't, so. All right, so we are in the car. We are going to a place called Bevy, I believe. Bevy Sip and Socialize or something. But I don't know if it's in downtown Naples. It might be. We'll find out when we get there. I don't know the area very well, so I don't know like what the address means, but apparently, or we looked at the menu and it looks like really, really good. So we're very excited, going to bed. Good morning. It is day 2 of the baby moon. We just went to the gym and worked out and it was actually wonderful.
Got a little sweat in?
Yeah.
Ready to roll through the day.
Squinting. Yeah, so we went to the gym, got myself a little cup of coffee. It's like, it's almost like an inside joke with my family, this coffee. We're always like, oh, the coffee, it's so good. It really is like very good coffee. It's just like free coffee at the like clubhouse thing. But it's really good. But yeah, so we worked out, felt really good. I'm finally like, for the past few weeks now, I've been at a point in my pregnancy where working out just feels really good. It doesn't like overtire me. I don't feel sick afterwards or anything like that. It's just like, I love it. I actually like really enjoy it. I was telling Matt, I like actually enjoy, I still like don't love like going to the gym, but like when I'm actually working out, I enjoy working out so much more as a pregnant woman. Like, I don't know, it just like makes me feel like, sounds so stupid, but it makes me feel like more powerful. I don't know, like before I never felt that way. I was just like, all right, get your workout and it feels good, whatever. But I don't know, I like working out as a pregnant lady. So anyway, so today's plan is super chill. We are just gonna be hanging by the pool. They have these little like, I don't know, what they call it, cabanas? Yeah, I guess like a cabana. You don't have to like pay for it or anything. They're just like at the pool and it's pretty dead here, so I'm sure there'll be some that are available. So we're probably just gonna like snag one of those so I can be in the shade for most of the time because that's what I prefer, and he'll be laying out in the sun. Yeah. But yeah, so that's today's plan. Just chill. I'm probably gonna do work by the pool and just hang out, relax. And they have like a little tiki bar, so you know, get some mocktails. You'll get some beer or cocktails.
Corona Lights.
Corona Lights. But yeah, so that is today's plan. Oh, by the way, do you want to tell them what you did to me last night?
We watched A Dog's Purpose. I watched the first half on the plane and cried like 3 times on the plane. And then
He watched the second. He put the second half on.
Put the second half on at the house we're staying at, and she was hysterically crying 5 minutes into it, and then like laughing. It was very strange.
I lasted about 10 minutes.
Yeah, it was pretty comical, I thought.
I was
not the
so
movie, but
emotional.
her
No, don't watch the movie. I purposely avoided that movie because dog's dying. Like, I could cry again. It's so sad. But so I literally had to like remove myself and like go lay in bed and read my book while he finished watching it because I was like hysterically crying. That's like the first time I feel like I've had like I mean, that is emotional. It's like so sad, but overly emotional. Do you know where we are?
No, come on.
Overly emotional.
What's the address?
Emotional reaction. I'm not gonna say it on here. Overly emotional reaction, like hormonal pregnant. Like I just could not stop sobbing. Don't watch that movie. It's so sad. It is obviously later on. Excuse me. We are driving into downtown Naples now. We're gonna go to dinner. I didn't really vlog much today because we literally just sat by the pool and did nothing and just relaxed, and it was really nice. Went swimming, just hung out. That was pretty much our day, right?
Oh, it was glorious.
Do anything too exciting? I've got like the Florida natural hair going on right now. Lots of humidity. It looks like really big. But it's still like kind of wet actually. But we're going to dinner. I am like struggling a little bit. I'm pretty tired, although Matt has this like burst of energy that we don't know where it's coming from.
We're to Tulia or Vertia?
No, Asteria.
Asteria Tulia.
Yeah, which is really good Italian place on 5th Ave in Naples, which we are currently driving on now.
Becca was dying for some chicken parm.
They don't have chicken parm.
Oh, that's what you're saying you're dying for.
No, I never said that. You said that.
That's true, I did.
They do have really good pasta though. So that's what we're doing right now. And if you've never been to 5th Ave, it's adorable. I will show you right now. Naples. I feel like so far this vlog has consisted of driving in the car and food, which is pretty much what this vacation has been, or baby moon has been, other than laying by the pool. We've just been chilling. But today we are going, right now we're headed to just like downtown Naples, 5th Ave. We're just gonna kind of walk around, maybe do a little window shopping / actual shopping, and like get some lunch and just kind of like hang around downtown. That is our plan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're doing that, and then I think later on we're gonna go back and like hang by the pool again, because that's just,
yes. Who
doesn't want to do that? Matt likes to get a tan.
That's great news.
I like to sit in the shade. But yeah, so that is what we're doing now, so we can kind of share. I'm kind of want like a juice or a smoothie or something like that.
Oh, that's a classic woman thing. Yeah.
Just sounds really good. So yeah, we're just gonna go explore, even though we have been down like to the downtown before, and I feel like we also need to get something for the baby girl, right? Just something like a little.
Oh, do we?
From the, I don't know, like from the baby moon, like.
Oh yeah.
We bought this little dress or something from the baby moon.
Well, the only store, everything was very expensive, so.
Oh, well, we did go in one store last night after dinner. I didn't really love anything from there anyway, so, but there definitely are some pricey stores. But we'll see what we can find. It'll be fun.
I think it will. She'll never know if we got her anything from here, so.
That's true.
Whoa.
just got lunch at the cutest little shop here at Naples Cafe. So quaint, so great. Just got a little basic salad, a little basic sandwich, a little juice. It was great. So we're leaving downtown here. We're gonna go hit the pool and pass out for 2 hours.
Hello again. So we are about to go out. About to go out to dinner. I am like bumping out right now. Can you see this thing? And this is like my favorite dress ever. The brand is Leith. Are you ready? Leith. It's from, hold on, I'm opening the door. It's from Nordstrom. It's non-maternity. I just sized up in it. Woo. Jamming. Can you turn it down? I just sized up in it and it's perfect. But so we are back in the car. We are headed to Marco Island. We're gonna go there instead of downtown Naples to get some dinner. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day right now. Right as we were getting in the car to go to dinner last night, my camera died. So I was not able to show you any of our dinner excursion, which was actually really awesome. We went to Marco Island and it is so cute over there. It's just like a cute little beach town. There's like a lot of little like back bay, I don't know, like so many of the houses are on the water. It's just really cute. But we went to this restaurant and it was actually the best meal we had, so I'm like bummed that my camera died. But it was called Cafe de Marco. It's just this little tiny, just like a cozy small restaurant that's been there for like over 30 years. And we got just really, really good seafood, like the best seafood we've had here, but probably best seafood we've had in a while, right?
I agree.
Yeah,
great prawns.
Yeah, Matt got the prawns.
Didn't know what a prawn was until yesterday, and I'm glad I know what they are now, because they're really good.
They were the, yeah, best shrimp I've ever had. They were delicious. And then we got the most amazing peanut butter pie I've ever had, in my life. Peanut butter pie might be one of my favorite desserts. And how good was it?
Oh, it was delicious.
It was like the best,
tasty.
One of the best I've ever had. It was so good. Anyway, so dinner was delicious. Just eat and driving, you know, continuing the theme of this vlog. But right now we are headed, we're actually gonna be getting massages, which I'm so excited about. I'm obviously getting a prenatal massage. Matt's just gonna get like a regular one. But we're super excited about that because, I don't know, it's just really relaxing, and who doesn't love a massage? It's always like such a treat. So we're doing that, and then we're hanging by the pool again today. Not too much going on, you know, just hanging out. That's the whole point of this vacay. It's just to chill. Yeah, exactly.
What do I ask for in the massage? Do I say just rub my back? I don't know.
You don't want them to do full body?
Oh, I guess so. Yeah.
Like legs and arms, back, neck?
Yeah, I just don't know what to say. Hopefully they just know what to do.
They just know what to do, yeah.
Okay, great.
Yeah, don't worry.
Alright, bye-bye.
They might ask if you want them to massage your butt.
Yeah, no.
Like your butt cheeks.
Alright. Alright, let's move along.
Alright, so we made it. We were at the pool. So there's like a spa here. And we weren't able to get massages together. His is like the hour slot before mine. He hasn't gone yet, but he's about to go. So for the next hour, I'm just going to relax by the pool and read my book. I started reading a new book, or I guess read my nook, I should say. It's called, what's it called? Oh, it's called Trespassing. The author is Brandy Reeds, I think, which I always get like the free, there's so many like free books you can get on Nook because they have like the lending library or whatever, so I always just get like free ones. And it's actually really good. I was telling Matt about the plot last night at dinner, and it was like very involved, and he was just like, oh well, or when I just told me the whole book, I was like, oh no, that's only like the beginning, like I'm just studying the scene, like there's so much going on. It's actually really good. So if you like, I love reading like novels, like just kind of mindless, like just good books that are fiction, I would definitely check that one out. I don't know if it's like a book people have heard of, I have no idea, because I just pick random free ones. But yeah, so that is really good. So I'm gonna read my book. That is not the one it is, but I'm gonna read, hang out, and he's gonna go get a massage. So I am back from my massage. It was So nice. It was very relaxing. Matt, how was yours?
It was nice. I've had better, but it was pretty good.
The lady was very gentle, which is not a bad thing. We usually like people to like get in there, you know, like really break up the tension. But she was super gentle, which was still felt really good. Anyway, so we're back by the pool and I just got some lunch. I will show you what I got. It looks so good. Got some chicken quesadillas with pico de gallo, guac, sour cream, regular salsa. And this is like a lot of food, but it looks so good. Alright, so we are back in the car.
Welcome back.
Where we're going?
Yeah, well, we had some nice massages earlier, laid by the pool for a few hours.
It's pretty nice.
Pretty nice. So we have no plan right now. We're just going into...
Hold that thought. Alright, so what was that?
Yeah, and some small massages. Headed into town now.
So we're headed into
town.
We're so tired.
We don't have a big plan. We're just gonna...
We have no plan.
We're gonna look for somewhere that has appetizers and dessert.
Yeah, I'm not super hungry, but...
I'm gonna probably eat a meal too, but we'll see.
I mainly just want dessert. That's like all I really want, but he obviously needs to eat.
And apparently the Florida sun is very dangerous because I only laid on my back, so I had sunscreen all over my front and didn't get burnt, feel pretty tan.
Yeah.
But we laid in the, or didn't lay, we went in the pool for like 20 minutes at like 3, 4 o'clock.
His back.
My back is fried, it's unbelievable. But anyway, just a lesson for all of you out there.
Yeah. Put sunscreen everywhere, even if it's not really in the sun.
Exactly.
Gotta take care of that skin, you know, especially in this Florida heat.
I agree.
So, stay tuned. Who knows what we're gonna eat, but we're gonna figure something out. Alright, we got dinner out of the way, now we're going to get the good stuff.
Scream. Ice cream.
Hi, Rosie. How you doing, baby? We missed you.